Hey, what's happening guys? My name is Saurav and welcome back to another video for Limit Solutions. And in this video, I'm gonna be talking about how you can change Windows 11 language. So to do so, all you have to do is that just go to Windows search bar like here and type settings. Once you go to the settings, on the left hand side we have time and language. Just click on it, and here we have language and region. Just click on it. And now you can see that on the top we have Windows display language. So if I just click on it, you can see that we have English United States for now. And if you'd like to install like a new language, just click on add a language and just search like whatever language that you'd like to install. Choose United Kingdom and I'll click on next, and then choose set as Windows display language. Now click on install, and this will take a couple of minutes to install it. And all set. And just make sure that you have moved the language on the top to make it as a default. And now all set. And now once you sign out and sign in, the language, this will be applied as a default language. And all set. So that's it for you guys. I hope this video was helpful to you. So do not forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye bye.